Ai, no. Cheers, thank you.
Or yes, you are.
Aye, that's that one. That's the winner. That's the one that won it for this checkpoint.
What do you mean won it for the checkpoint?
Well, like that was the first one to pass the checkpoint. This one.
There's a crowd, man.
Huh?
Quite a crowd.
Aye.
Will you see it tomorrow?
I'll pick my chocolate.
Oh, here comes the other one down now. Everyone's coming down just now.
Looks like they could all be in for 9 o'clock. That'd be good.
Aye.
Get their own hair beer. Get a heat.
I've got enough of that.
You don't need the old suntan lotion anyway.
I've got it over there, like, but you know.
Put it on?
It's just, aye.
Top power.
Alright, herself.
Hiya.
Not watching it. But
I'm going to go get this one.
coming in now.
Yeah, no, I see it.
Aye.
What's happening with the moths that wanted to see? The harbour?
They're all meant to be coming in right now.
Yeah, there's one sitting away over there. It's just sitting there.
But that's the biggest one. But they're all coming in just now. There's 2 that's just gone up right now, but there's 3 currently sat there. There's 5 out there, so this will be the 4th. So
How long have you been here for?
since 9.
9 o'clock in the morning.
No.
Take your fishing rod with you.
No.
Why not?
Hardly use them now. I've got them, but no. Not fishing now. It's just too long ago. Bloody the drone dropped out of the sky now.
What?
The drone dropped out of the sky
Oh yeah?
today.
Where?
Right over there.
Where?
I don't know why. I was away to land it there. And it suddenly just went up over there and then just dropped. Broke propellers and everything. It's turning on, but the camera's messing around and I think it's knackered, to be
This
honest.
is in the land in the sea.
Aye, but I think it's ruined.
Oh, okay.
I generally think I need to get a new one now, but it's annoying because I did want to film this event, you know, with the drone, and that was
How
like
many boats is there in total?
40 odd, 40, 50, something like that.
How
But
many is there came in today?
well, there's 3 in. This will be the 4th one coming in just now. But aye.
This is only the 3rd one that came in.
No, this is the 4th one.
4th one.
There's 5 that are at the checkpoint, so 5 are meant to come in today. But this is the 4th one coming in.
Do you know where this one's from?
No clue.
Do you know where the last one?
Oh, it's a British one, isn't it? This is the one that came 3rd. It came 3rd for the checkpoint. It's
Where's the checkpoint?
it's like somewhere out in the middle of the sea. But it's like just as you get to Aberdeen, but it's not like a flag thing or anything. It's just out there, you know. But quite a lot of them coming around.
Came first.
Italian.
Boats that came in already.
No, Italian boat. That was one came first in this checkpoint race anyway. But yeah, so the other one must be coming around just now. But
There's a massive boat sitting outside.
aye,
the turbine.
that's Polish. That's the Polish one. That came 2nd.
Why is this sitting out here?
I don't know, but they've all just came in all different times really. But aye, this is the one that came 3rd. But the one before it was the one that came 1st. But they've just all been came in, you know, random times. But
Just like giving me like
port has to give permission for them to be docked.
okay. Aye, then just do them one by one.
Yeah, but it seems like a big load of them are just coming up right now. So it's a big one now.
Yeah, it just looks big.
It's tiny, isn't it?
When are they going to open up when? On Friday? They just open up, you can walk down.
Saturday.
Saturday.
And Saturday to Tuesday. Tuesday they might do like a farewell thing because they're all leaving on Tuesday, so they're all gonna dart down here on Tuesday.
You get up, leave all together, like,
Apparently, yeah.
that'll be good.
First thing in the morning or last night?
I'm not too sure, to be honest. I think it'll be probably later on because it's still during the event, you know. So I think it probably will be later on. But this is happening again tomorrow. The time. Don't know what time they're doing it, but.
What app is it you can go on?
YB races.
Is it?
YB races. Yeah, I think that's the one I'm on, and it updates
See them
every.
all coming up the coast.
Yeah, updates every hour, but it's not the best really because they're sat out there and just like, well, what are they doing? And you think they're coming here and then they just turn around, but you have to wait an hour to get an update, you know. So it's quite annoying having to wait that long, you know, to get an update on what's happening.
So you'll have your captain talking tomorrow?
No. Let's say board.
Right, jump over the side.
I was speaking to police this morning, diving police, and they were speaking to me about the action cameras. Just got bored one day and was like, I want to start doing this stuff, so ended up getting it. This is a new camera though. I only got this one last week. This one. I don't know what time they're coming down tomorrow, but it's just whenever. I don't know what this one is. This is a Polish one, but this isn't a big one. It's another Polish boat. I don't know. Been quite a lot though.
You're English.
Aye, this one is. But the other one is a Polish boat, and that's the tall one. They're expecting 400,000 people apparently, but I don't know if I believe it. Oh, I've got sun cream, but I bought it after I got burnt, so. It's happened now. Can't do anything, you know. So. I don't know if the other one is actually. When it's way down, is it? So the big Polish one hasn't come in yet. There's one more to come in, I think.
Bizarre.
Nah, the big Polish one, that's not come in yet.
Oh, right, okay. It was that Polish as well, though.
That one, yeah, there was a little one, but the big one that came second, that's not come in yet.
Oh, right.
What app did you say it was called again?
YB Races.
I thought it was like Wacky Races.
No, so.
Catch you
YB,
there,
see ya.
see you tomorrow.
them ones. Some lessons like.
one as well.
What's that?
Drone. Do you want to see a drone? There's a drone just going about here, and now it's just. Oh no, it's still there.
Yeah.
But the thing is, if it goes over that cloud, that's legal. Nobody said it. sign over there. Climbing the cells and everything.
Eh?
Climbing the cells and everything.
Alright.
Get this in the picture.
It's good, yeah, the sun's came
Of course, when a bigger ship comes in, the battery dies. And that. Oh no, it's. Oh, I haven't died.
No.
No, it's that's open. It doesn't like when that's open.
Oh, okay.
I thought I died and I was like, oh no.
Okay.
My hand's rubbing against that. I must have just popped it open.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't like that being open. Like, so. That's what you call a tall ship.
Yeah.
To Wednesday, Jesus.
Yeah.
That's a tall ship. The next one is meant to be a tall ship though.
Sorry?
Next one is meant to be a tall ship, but that's 7. Poor guys just said to us.
Enjoy your day.
Alright, cheers, thank you.
You're an actual professional photographer, right?
I don't call myself that, but. on this one. The sunset. That looks really nice.
Nice.
That's just for the TikTok run.
They're happy to finally come in as well.
So am I. God. Oh, that looks really nice though with the clouds and everything for that one.
Sunglasses.
Look at the lens for sale. Oh, that was rough. Today's rough.